Hi, this is Samba Sarath. This video is for continuous integration and deployment using various Microsoft tools. The required softwares are Team Foundation Server 2015, Microsoft Build Controller and Agent, and IIS 6.5 and above, Visual Studio 2015, Coded UI or Selenium framework for test automation. Actually, we have installed Teams in one uh, system. Here I am opening Team Foundation server. Here application type, team project collection. Here we can we can view the default project collections. These team projects. This is the demo web application and additional tools and components. XAML build definitions. Here build controller and build agent. Here is the options for restart and stop the HM test controllers. Here we have configured our development project to the IIS. Here I have hosted. This is my test site name, my test site. Here I am browsing using. This is a sample application I have developed for this one demo purpose. Now we can explore the path. This is a demo web app. This one is a we are accessing. I am accessing a Team Foundation server through browser. This is overview of the project code, and here we can list the solution files, demo web app and test framework which I have added, and this for work is for work items. Here we can use backlog items and boards, user stories. We can add user stories and we can modify. This one is a closed, and we have new, active and resolved. Default page already status is closed. This is a test case. We have couple of test steps for this one we have added, and this test is already completed. Next, login page. This is in active state. Still some of the test steps are pending, I think. This is a state is active now. Next, this one is test case. Here launch browser, keep in URL, click on login button. Next, should navigate to login page is the expected result, and last step is close browser. I added this one. I am updating the status, save and close, and I am updating the status as close. Automatically this board will move into the closed field. See this one. Okay, this one is we came to the backlog items, contact page. Now this is a new. We didn't implement any test steps. We can drag and drop also from one field. Next, coming to the build tab, we have couple of build definitions. Here demo web build definition. These are the build execution statuses. This one is a individual continuous integration. This is also individual continuous integration. Remaining all are manually triggered different builds. Coming to the now I'm opening Visual Studio. Here I have a Team Explorer. I have in my solution I have two applications. One is demo web app and test framework. In demo web app, I have a couple of web pages, ASPX files. This one is the default page for my site, contact page, and about page. This is my unit testing framework. I have two methods. One is the test method home page, and second one is test method login page. Here I am launching the browser and clicking, performing some actions and validating the page controls. Now we can run the test using all tests are selected test options in the test tab. For now I have selected all. Test execution started. It launching the browser. It will take some time, depends upon the performance. Now my test page is loaded and validation completed and closed that. This one is second test method. Here I am logging into the, I am clicking on the login button. So coming to this, here two test cases are passed. They are showing green color. That means two test cases were passed. Now I am changing the code and changing the sleep time to 500 milliseconds. To check in the code into the server. Here work items, build definition. Here we can add new build definitions. Using new build definition, it is a build definition name and queue processing trigger type, and by build defaults I'm closing the new one. I'm using existing one, editing that one. Actually build definition name is demo web build definition. I'm using continuous integration for triggering. Copy build output to the server. Pending changes. Actually after saving the files only we can see the changes in the pending changes. Now we can, I'm entering the comment sleep change, sleep time change, and I'm clicking on check-in button. Check-in successful. Now I'm going to the builds. Already build started. That's why actually I'm using continuous integration for triggering purpose. Here already build started. Run on agent reserved build. It will take some time. Now build is success. This one is a build succeeded. Here demo web application, and next one is test runs completed. If you open the log for test runs, we can see the test run statuses. Both test method home page and test method login page are running green. Agent and at the start time of the test case, end time of the test case, duration of the test run. Here my previous builds statuses.